Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to use my Mynba2k16 bot. Our bot can, you see that our bot detect the capture code and input it successfully. Yeah, our bot can play quick games, rival clash games, and detect capture code and input the capture code. So it can run in 24 hours, so continuously. Okay, if you want to use our bot, you need to follow these 9 steps. First, you need to download Joy4X Android emulator. So where to download it? Okay, just go to our website. Our website Mynba2k16.com. Okay, click download, and our bot can be used by both Windows users and Mac users. For Windows users, you need to download these 3 files, and for Mac users, you need to download the other 3 files. Okay, so because I'm using Windows, so click here, and our website will take you to the Joy4X official website, so you can download the Android emulator there. You can choose one. I think you can choose this one for international. Okay, back to our website. And then the second step, set up Joy4X emulator. Click this if you have downloaded it and install. Okay, cause I have installed it on my laptop, so I can directly run it. Okay, for the third step, you need to use this file, and you can download it from our website. And for this step, you must keep your Android emulator closed, and then this file can set up the resolution and DPI. Okay, I need to close it. Okay, now I can run it. For Windows 10 users, you need to run it as administrator. So right click it and click here. Now, because we need to modify the resolution and DPI, so first we input 1, and for the width, then we need to input 0, custom resolution and DPI. Now we can set the width. We need to input 387, and the height 656, and the DPI 144. Okay, then we need to input Y. Yes. Okay, modification is completed, so we can close it now. And now we can open our Joy4X emulator. You can see that the resolution and DPI has changed. For Mac users, you also need to configure resolution and DPI. You can download this file from our website. And then, after you installed Android emulator, keep it closed, and then search this file on your MacBook. And after you find it, replace the origin file with this file that you download from our website. And then after you replace that file, the resolution and DPI has changed. And then at this time you can open your newly installed Joy4X Android emulator. If you have bought Mynba2k16 on PSN and Charbox, you can bind your game data with Charbox and PSN. And I think Steam doesn't work if you bought Mynba2k16 on Steam. So if you didn't buy Mynba2k16 on PSN or Charbox, you can bind your game data with Facebook. Now I will teach you how to find your game data with Facebook, and then you can continue to play your game on Android emulator by using Facebook game account. Firstly, you can see that I'm using iPad. It's an iOS device. Okay, now click back. Then click here, click log out, click screen again. Okay, now you need to click Facebook. If you have logged in your Facebook account, it will directly inform you to find your game data with Facebook. And at this time you can click OK. Now you need to download and install Mynba2k16 from Play Store. So open Play Store. If you firstly open this Play Store, you need to log in your Google account, and then you can search Mynba2k16 and install it. After you install Mynba2k16, you can open it. And if you firstly open it, it needs to download some data. It will take 10 minutes, I think. And then you can log in with your Facebook account. I will show you. Log in with your Facebook account, or if you bought PSN or Charbox Mynba2k16, you can log in with PSN and Charbox. And if you Google user and you want to log in with your Google account, you need to install this app, Play Games. After you install Play Games, you can get these apps from Play Store. You can log in Mynba2k16 by using your Google account. Okay, at this time I use my Google account. Okay, now you have successfully logged in Mynba2k16. And now the next step is install our bot APK on Android emulator. So how to install it? Firstly, you need to download it. Directly click download, and after you download it, you can directly drag it into the Android emulator like this. And if this way doesn't work, you can also click here, install APK. After you install our bot, there is a very important thing that you need to take care. When you firstly open our bot, you need to give our bot root permission. Like this, grant. You must give our bot root permission. Okay. If you open our bot and see this message, it means there is an update for our bot. So you can directly click this button. It means update. And then you can see that we have successfully updated our bot. Because I always add a new function for our bot, so I think you can always find this message. Okay, now I will teach you how to use our bot. So firstly, there is guidelines. You can read it. This is the configure view. So firstly, you need to choose your user mode. So if you didn't buy our CDK, you can only choose trial user. And for trial users, you can use our bot as many times as you want, but for each time, our bot can only run 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our bot will stop, and it will also close the game app. So after it stops, you need to restart the game app and restart our bot. And if you are the formal user, you can input the CDK here. For the formal user, our bot will not stop and it can run 24 hours. It can run as long as possible. So second, you can choose game mode. If there is rivals clash, you can choose rivals clash. If there is no rivals clash, you can only choose quick game. And then you can choose RC opponent, +1, +3, or +5. And then you can choose train card max level. So if you choose rare, it means that common, uncommon, rare card will be used to level up the other cards. And then you can choose the accelerated speed. So if you choose 0, it means that you don't use accelerate function. And then I think 1.5 is a good speed. And you can decide it by yourself. And then you can edit your lineup. You need to notice that each player can only appear once. So here I will use PGSG to play double player match, and use CPFSF to play single player match. And for the formal user, you have a CDK, and each CDK can only be used by one device. If you use the CDK by 2 devices at the same time, one of them will stop. You can try. And now I will input my CDK. Okay, click here. And then we need to click our game app. Okay, now we can start our bot. Click here. Okay, you can see former user, bot start running. Let's look our bot running for a while. You can see PGSG play double player games. You can see the speed is accelerating. It's very fast. PGSG play double player game. Center, PF, SF, PGSG. Yeah, the right order. For the Windows user, if you want to stop the bot, you can click volume up button. For the Mac user, if you want to stop the bot because you don't have volume up and volume down button, you can only drag this out. It's very difficult. Drag it out and click, and then our bot stop. This is for Mac user. For Windows user, you can directly click here, volume up button, our bot will stop. Okay, 2 things I forget to tell you. The Android emulator resolution should be 387 by 656, and the DPI should be 144. And you can only use Joy4X Android emulator. You cannot use other Android emulator. And if you find our bot doesn't work well on your computer, you need to update your graphic video card driver to the latest version, especially for the NVIDIA video card. If you like our bot and want to be our former user, you can buy a CDK from our website. Buy here, print your email. And after you complete your payment, PayPal will take you back to our website, and a CDK will show on your web page. And we will also send the CDK to your email box. If the PayPal don't take you back to our website, I think you can find a link and directly click the link. You can come back to our website. Okay, and you can join our Facebook group, follow Twitter page, or directly post on our forum. If you have any good advices or you find some bugs, you can make a topic. And if you need help, you can also post a topic. Each topic will get a reply. Okay, thank you.